Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Listen up. In this video here, in my last video, if you look right here, I did a video just for you and I showed you basically how to create a product online to make your first $10,000. Listen, you don't have to buy a course. I do have courses, but listen, it's not important for you to buy a course. If you watch this video, you'll see exactly how I did it. But in this video specifically, I'm going to show you how to bring in affiliates for free, okay? Now this is the secret sauce to my madness here that I did about 5 to 6 years ago, and I made $1 million in 1 month. And this is what I did. I had affiliates that did not know me, and I basically had those people promote my product so I can sit on my butt and do nothing here. So make sure I'll leave a link at the end of this video to this video right here to watch that first. Listen, make sure you watch this video first before you use the technique that I'm going to show you that basically I've earned $4,000 here, okay, in the past 24 hours, October 15th, 16th, $4,000. So you have to like imagine it. What would you do with $4,000 every 24 hours? And the great thing about this, you don't have to spend any cash, any money. All I ask for you to do, big head, is smash the like button, because listen, even though I sell courses, you don't need to buy a course right now at all. All you need to do is listen to every word that I share in this video here. I'm going to give you secrets. I promise you, you're never going to watch a video like this that a millionaire online that's going to show you the website that he utilizes to get affiliates basically for free. I have over 20,000 people promoting my product. So listen, say of today, you create your own product, a digital product, by watching this video at the very end and having 10,000 people promote it while you travel the world. You're not working a job, okay? So listen, comment below, I can do this. Smash the like button, sub to the channel, because every 1 to 2 days I do a video for you to show you how to become an internet millionaire. Let's go. Listen, can I get right into it? First up, go to the site right here. It's called warriorforum.com. And that's the warriorforum.com. This site right here allows me to recruit affiliates on autopilot every single day. And like I just showed you right here, this is how I made $4,000. I didn't spend any money. I didn't run any Facebook ads, no YouTube ads. And if you listen to the very end, you'll do the same exact thing. So get excited. Comment below and tell me where you're calling from. So listen, it's very easy. Once the product is created, once you create the digital product by watching the video that I'm going to give you at the very end of here of this video, this is free, right? Go to Marketplace, okay? Make sure you get a free account first. Get a free account, right? Then go to Marketplace and then go to Affiliate Program Database here. And listen, Warrior Forum allows you, they get hundreds of thousands of visits every single day. Every internet marketer that's making money, they use this site to promote their products and to use the affiliate marketing database to promote it. Now check it out. You see this right here? That's me, 7 Day Fitness. That was my company 6 to 7 years ago. They made $0. But the next company, which was Fat Diminisher, which you guys should know my story already. If not, go watch the YouTube videos. You'll learn how I went from nothing to millions of dollars here. This is my offer that I'm currently promoting on Digital Store. Let me click here. And the great thing about it is basically free traffic. That's me on top of my Rolls Royce Cullinan, right? It's crazy. As you can see here, I put too much baby oil on my body, so I look a little greasy, but I'm rich, bitch, right? Listen, thousands of people see this every single day. Thousands of people, okay? All I did is what I wrote, some copy. I promote the Genie script, which is one of my products right now. It's digital that I promote online, right? But the great thing about it, thousands of people every single day, they go to this program database to find out what's new to promote. And I'm right here. I'm number one. I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's very simple. And every time somebody clicks on it, right? They click here, right? They want to see more results. They go to a page like this and they sign up as an affiliate for my product here. I have over 20,000 affiliates right now that promote all my products online on autopilot for free. Listen, it is no reason why you can't make $1,000 every single day by doing this. But you have to make sure you have a product first. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the video that's on YouTube, under my account on YouTube, that you need to watch. It shows you step by step how to create your first digital product. You don't have to have any experience, any money. All you have to do is have willpower and this relentless spirit to win. So listen, you may be asking me, okay, Wes, how did you become number one though? Like you're like number one right here. Easy. If you click here, when you create your brand new account on Warrior Forum, you can bump your posts. You can do a sticky to the top. It only costs $50. All right. Then you will be number one out of everybody else. Hundreds, if not thousands of different offers. You'll be number one. And the great thing about it is free traffic. Okay. This is how I made this amount of money. And let me show you how I did it. Because every affiliate that joins my program here, and as a matter of fact, how about I just show you here? Let me show you something cool here. Okay. I'm gonna go to sendlane.com. All right, let me log in real quickly here, okay? Because I want you to see this. This is how I make $4,000 every 24 hours here. If you look here, now listen, SendLane is like Aweber. It basically gives me the opportunity to mail my affiliates and I mail my customers. So I have over like 300,000 people on my list. But if you go to audience here, and if you look in my list section here, and if you look below, okay, and I'm gonna type in GS affiliates, which is my Genie script. Give me 1 second here. Okay, smash the like button if you're still with me here. You see that I got 69, I'm sorry, I lied, not 20. I have 69,000 affiliates here that promote my products online. Listen, every day somebody signs up to my affiliate list here. Can you see that here? You see this? Every day people are signing up. What I do, I send them an email, which is this program right here called Online Millionaire Mastery, and I make money. I'm averaging between $2,000 to $4,000 every single day on autopilot. Listen, can you not do this? You can do this. Comment below, I can do this. Just watch the video. Use Warrior Forum, right? Create a post. Listen, you can model my post. You might say, well, Wesley, I don't know what to say. Model, big head. Just model what I have used right here and do it for yourself with your product. This is free traffic that comes in every day. A lot of people spend a lot of money on ads. I don't. I have 69,000 affiliates, as you can see right here, that promote my products for me. Now, listen, if you ever need help, I get it. If you need help, your boy is here. In the link below, I do have a course. It's Online Millionaire Mastery. You don't need the course. You don't need to buy the course at all. But if you need help, click the link. I'll show you how to make $10,000 in the first 45 days. Hey, listen. Hey, if I gave you value, smash the like button. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let go.